There is this little known feature of Galaxy interface that many of you probably don't even know about. It's called Window Manager. Let's suppose I want to look at one of the datasets I have in Galaxy's history. For example, I want to visualize these collab fault predictions. So I don't know, I open a prediction, I click on Visualize button, I select a viewer, and here is my prediction inside the window, inside Galaxy interface. But what if I also want to look at that prediction? I can also expand it, click on Visualize. But when I do this, my visualization will also be in this window. So I cannot look at them at the same time. I can enable it, but essentially, when I'm doing it like this, I can only have one thing at a time inside my center Galaxy pane. Well, if I enable this thing, then see what happens. Let's visualize this one. Select and I select Star Viewer again, and you can see that now it appears in a window inside the interface. So now, for example, if I want to look at the other one as well, I can again click on Visualize, select Star Viewer. I'm going to get another window where I can have them side by side, so I can actually start comparing things. I can minimize these windows, shuffle them around, and that works for all types of files, of course. If you want to, for some reason, look at your original sequences. Well, here will be your original sequences. You can even do crazy things like, for example, start a new Jupyter Light notebook directly here in a separate window and use it to analyze data. So just click on Jupyter Light, and here it is. So I can start analyzing data in that window. And again, all of these windows are here. I can open them one by one, hide them, resize them, do whatever I want. And I can have obviously as many windows as I want. The sad part here is that in this particular screencast, my monitor real estate is too small. But if I have a wide monitor, you can see that you can open many windows and compare things in many different ways.